Hey, you incredible people. Do you remember? I asked you what are your strategies to deal with your anger and especially when it is going out of your control. Right? So I had many beautiful responses. Some of them they said, we just go alone and we stay over there for some time till the time my anger is over. Then I think whether my anger was valid, rational or not. And somebody says, I don't do anything at that particular time when I'm so much of angry. And somebody said, ki, I just hum the om. I just do om. And after some time, my anger that goes away. I have brought you one very simple strategy. And I don't claim that this is the best strategy. This is one of the best strategies because I have personally experienced this strategy. Whenever you are angry, see, there are one more basic thing. If I tell you that one basic thing, might be you will think over it and after some time you will develop the habit of thinking over it. Once you are angry, you are furious on somebody, then definitely giving a thought over it, you may change your behavior. But before that, I want to tell you a very simple strategy. Whenever you are angry, because when you are angry, your breath pattern, it changes a lot. Because whenever you are angry, your breath goes very fast, very shallow, like that. Because during your anger, your body requires more blood supply. And for that more blood supply, because you are having the breath fast, you have the more blood supply to provide to your brain, to provide to your muscles, because you are going to do something in that anger. You are going to shout, you are going to think fast. So your brain requires more blood. Your muscles require more blood to be supplied. So in that particular moment, your breath, and because why breath are fast? Because oxygen is required. For your muscles to do some action, oxygen is required. For your brain to take fast actions, to think faster, your brain also requires oxygen. So that's why the breaths are very fast, very shallow. You need to do only one thing. You need to have one strategy of having a glass of water. Absolutely, this is one of the best strategies. Have a glass of water, and what to do with that glass of water? Just fill it half, because this is not a glass water, so you won't find it. It's half filled. What you need to do? You just need to sip with the half the speed of your regular speed of drinking water. Half the speed. Like the way if you drink your water like this, cut. Don't do that. You just drink it with half the speed, like so, just double or just half the speed of your regular speed of drinking water. This is really magical. I tell you, if you follow this strategy, you will find a huge change in controlling your anger. Why? Because however your breath is going shallow while you are angry and you are about to shout, you are about to say something bad to somebody. This drinking of water with half the speed will normalize your breaths because your windpipe and your food pipe, they are interconnected. They work in sync. So when you are taking that sips very slowly, your breath is also getting normalized. And when your breaths are normalized, see, automatically this anger will not have the room for getting it. It will not have a food, right? That oxygen, immediate rush of that oxygen, it will not have that. So within just 2 minutes, you will feel that your breaths are getting normal. And when the breaths are normal, you cannot be same angry. Your anger is bound to go down. Your anger is bound to get mitigated. Try this. It's the wonderful strategy that will control your anger like anything. Second best strategy, I'll tell you. Tell your anger that I am going to utilize it just 15 minutes later or 30 seconds later, or if you can stretch, say to your anger that I will utilize it just 1 minute later. Yes, I will use it because you are so much of anger, you want to say so many things, you want to shout at somebody. So tell your anger, just like the child. How we handle that child. The child is very much keen on going out and having the ice cream at that particular moment. So how do you manage the child? Na beta, we'll go outside. Just give me some minutes. And in between, suppose his friends comes, and then he goes out with his friends. He forgets about the ice cream and lollipop and anything. Just like that, treat your anger like your child. Tell your anger that within 15 seconds or within 1 minute, I am going to come to you and we will have a boom. What happens? When you give time to anger, it will not remember as it is. Its intensity already goes down in 1 minute or 15 seconds or 30 seconds. So for you to be that much of furious again, it will take one more time. It will take some more energy, and that you will not at all go to invest your time. Get me in writing. You are not going to be angry once again with the same intensity that you were just 15 seconds ago or 1 minute ago. So just tell your anger that my boy, my child, we are going together in just 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. Wait for 15 seconds. Wait for 30 seconds. And you will find that once you let him wait, it will not wait, it will go away. Immediately it will go away. Bye, you stay over there, I am going away. Take that strategy. Third strategy, if you are able to do that, just observe your breaths. Take 3 deep breaths. Deep means really deep, so that your chest expands. Chest expands. So this is the direct method. What I am telling you right now, this is the direct method of managing your breath. The first glass of water method was the indirect method, but it happens to be the same useful, same impactful. Third method, expand your chest and just slowly breathe out. This will manage your breaths directly. And your mind gets the feeling that no, you are not angry at all, because whenever you are angry, your breaths are shallow. If your breaths are so deep, you are not angry at all. Your mind will be convinced. So you need to convince your mind with your breaths. So 3 strategies, simple 3 strategies. Take a sip or 10 sips. At least you have to take 10 sips, slow sips of water. Second thing, just tell your child that anger, we are going together in just 1 minute, next 1 minute. And third thing, take deep breaths, really deep breaths. So it should be very evident. You can go in front of the mirror also just to check whether the chest is expanding or not. Really take 3 deep breaths. So automatically you need to remember everything. You need to work on your breaths, not on your anger. Don't try to crush your anger. It is not going to be crushed, because this is energy. Energy cannot be crushed. It can only be transferred. It can only be diverted, not crushed at all. It's a huge energy. It's a like explosion sort of energy. It is going to be utilized, but utilize it in some different way. Just work on your breaths. Don't work on your anger. Never ever. Don't work on your anger. Work on your breaths. That's how you can really, in a real sense, you can control your anger. And that's why I said controlling the anger is absolutely a wrong thing. Don't control your anger. Manage your anger. Manage your anger with these 3 strategies. You cannot control it because it's an energy. How can you control a nuclear bomb once it is exploded? How can you control the fire? You manage it. You manage it. So don't control, just manage it with your breaths. This is Alok Joshi, watching you smiling over there. I hope like these strategies will work on you. Just try these strategies. I was in a much hurry to curtail the time of my video, but I want you to use these strategies and let me know whether they work. Any of the 3 strategies, they will work. Any of the 3. Which strategy worked for you the best? please let me know. As I told you, your strategies are going to help many of others because they are in need of controlling the anger, and your practical approach, your practical experience will help them, will give them a confidence that yes, this strategy works for them. Do utilize them. Let me know. This is Alok Joshi, watching you smiling over there. Keep smiling. We'll meet again with the same smile. Thank you very much.